Hey, let's draw some money together. If it would be that easy, right? But yeah, let's start. It starts again with the same shape that we use for time, the circle. So we draw a circle. If this is a circle, it's close enough to a circle. And then you put the currency that you have in your country. So for me in Germany, we have the euro. So let me take the euro here. You have your coin of money, as simple as it is, right? So you could do it like this, or you could choose to have some paper money. Paper money, we actually drew something similar with the text containers, but this time you have to have a rectangle that's lying on the side like this, and then you add, or I add here this small folding over to indicate it's paper money. And again, if you want to have it like money, just write the tag in there. Now, sometimes it's not enough to just have one kind of paper money, piece of paper money, but we want to have a stack of paper. So you do the same drawing again with a rectangle on the side. We draw that edge again, but this time we draw multiple lines underneath and on the side to indicate it's a staple of money, as well as this piece in the middle. Like, I don't ever know how to call that in English, to be honest. That piece that holds everything together. And again, you put some money tag on this, so you have your stack of money. Then, last but not least, I would say, yeah, nearly last but not least in this session, the way that I like as well to draw money is in a bag, right? All the coins in a bag together. It's always a nice picture. You need to imagine now that you are in the summer, and we spoke about that before in one of the sessions, I think, and you have an ice cream, a cone of ice cream. And I'm starving ice cream again, but I will draw a cone of ice cream. So what you do is drawing something like this, you see, a nice ice cream, and then you add the bag underneath. And all of a sudden, if you add your tag, you have a bag full of money. If you want to close it here, I like the character Z to do that. Just write a Z here and you have bound it together. If you need a description what that money is for, you can as well add a tag, like you would have a tag on a jeans or so if you buy it, and then write that description here to indicate what kind of money or what the money is for, or the budget, for example. Then the very last drawing here might be the stock market, of course, something like this, and you draw, for example, the money and the time here, and then you have whatever you want to put it here, a stock market sign for the development of the money. That's how I would use different icons to draw money. And with that, we can continue to the next video where we will draw processes.